Personally, I tried to reach out to them. Because you say shida ya chakera, in our WhatsApp group, yetu abwata ya performers, that is the place na aroche, VickYoung yakacha, even to bikacha kuliko. For a minute, I didn't believe it is him. Because I know him. I know who he is. I didn't believe it is him.
Yeah. There's yesterday, kana kuwatia mangana VickYoung.
Yeah.
Asumtanda kare ukwanera mangana your season 3. How many minutes VickYoung performing? Na nena wate crew whatever you see over 100,000 kwa ikiororo. Neto enough time we could perform.
He had all the time on stage. Actually, it is when he was actually walking out of the stage. And another thing, he spent 100,000. My brother, why will you spend 100,000 when you are being paid or you have signed an agreement of 30,000 Kenya shillings? Why will you spend 100,000? For God's sake. Give it to me 100,000, or you spent 100,000 to come to a function. Let's humble ourselves. This is a baby we are growing, and it was here to benefit the likes of Vicky than even me. I'll tell you, bro, the wars that are happening here, it is nothing. Again, people are not actually fighting Gusii Urban Festival. People are out here fighting Echate. The pressures are here. Maybe there's somebody who is imagining Echate is here maybe to take our space. Maybe there is, there are political forces from the other side. Because I'm aware, I've got an intelligence that actually there are people who are called, bakagenda, they were paid a few whatever. A few coins here and there, they say, yeah, go out, spoil this thing completely.
And who is this?
No, bro. I told you, no, you wait a moment. Yes. There is a lot than what just meets the eye. But I will tell Abanabamin one thing. I created this thing to help you grow out of being musicians or artists of handouts. I created this thing to brand you, to make you commercial artists. That by the time you're coming to a stage, a Gusii Urban Festival, you're a brand enough that you can be a brand ambassador of a serious company. You're a brand enough that people can negotiate serious packs. And the rest of the other things. That was my vision.